So we're here showing Pam the tractor in question that we're going to revive and use to mow where we're at. So this is the face of the first time she's seeing the John Deere.
Wow, how are you going to get it out of there?
Step one.
It's overgrown slightly.
Step one. We got to get it out of there.
Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you.
We are absolutely done with sewer hoses and doing the Class C. It is not worth it. Every time we dump, one breaks. Let me show you.
So we went ahead and went with the black tank first, and we did not test the hose.
It's a Swiss hose.
This is exactly, this might be a lesson learned for us. Don't use the hoses provided. It has a life of its own. Did y'all see that? The macerator doesn't want to work.
Ta-da! Perfect.
Yeah! Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you.
Good morning. Today is the day that we're going to be cutting grass because it has absolutely been growing every single day that we've been here.
Non-stop. Who would have thought?
Non-stop. It's getting so high, it's tickling the knees.
Yes.
And what's funny is every morning we watch the neighbors across the way with a pristine, beautiful golf course lawn, and they get on their riding lawnmower and they just have a great time. Well, we have been putting together a lawnmower out of despair. It's been sitting dormant for a hot minute, tires flat and everything. So we've been putting that together, saving money.
Yeah.
Trying to find ways to be creative in pulling that together.
MacGyver a lawnmower together, just like we do our RV.
Yep. So we think we finally have it done, but take a look. So we're here evaluating the lawnmower that we will be using, the John Deere that we'll be using to mow the area that we're at. And this is the face of the first time she's seeing it.
Yeah. It's slightly overgrown. I'm not really sure how we get into it.
I have no idea. But step one is to get it out of this mess and revive it.
Yes.
Do an analysis and see what's wrong with it.
Well, I think we're going to have to start with the loppers.
Yeah, we're gonna have to start with something. It's buried. So basically the best way to get it out is to take the tractor, pull it up, put the bucket right next to the tires, kind of push it onto the bucket and then strap it and drag the whole thing out. So that's plan one. That's what we're gonna stick with. We're gonna hit it.
I'm just here watching.
Yeah. But first and foremost, I can't believe that worked. I mean, simple, easy, effective. So what do you think?
Yep. It's a lawnmower. That's all I know.
All right.
It has flat tires.
All right, so where do we start?
Oh, we blow up the tires? I think that's a great idea. I think I can help with that.
So first thing, now that we've got our lawnmower exfiltrated from the barn, right?
From the bushes?
Yeah, we need to make it mobile first, so we need to check all 4 tires and fill them up with air. And then we need to work on getting the engine started so you can cut some grass.
Okay.
3 things we need to get the engine started: fuel, air, and spark. So we need to swap the gas out
Okay.
because it's been sitting for a long time. Probably put a new battery in there,
Okay.
and then make sure that the engine mechanically runs, turns over and everything. And then after all that's done, sounds easy when you say it, but after all that's done, have the lawnmower.
I forgot my notebook. I should have taken notes.
All right, Pam, where do we start?
Tires.
Step 1.
Step 1.
Let's do it. What is this? A nozzle. Okay. Do I have to add it?
This here
Okay.
goes in
So
there.
it's kind of like the propane thing. Don't we have to turn it on?
No, it's still.
Oh. Oh. Oh, wow. That's fast. How do I know when it's good?
That's good.
It has a whole... Looks
Well.
like it got scratched.
At least we know where to start.
Yeah.
We'll try to fill all 4 and see what holes there are.
Yeah.
Probably needs 4 new tires. We'll see. Maybe we'll get lucky. And one won't
Maybe.
have a hole in it.
Alright, let me try this one. I wasn't expecting it to go up so fast. That was fast. Why can't we have this for our RV? I mean, we would be a lot quicker than the Vire pump.
Small tires?
That is true. Good?
Keep going.
Okay.
That's good.
I don't hear any hissing. So what do I do with this thing?
Well, give us
Do I
some.
have to pop it on?
That's going to take some persuasion. It's going to happen on this tire. We need to reset the bead.
Okay. Unscramble it?
Yes. It is a bit scrambled right now. We're going to fix it though.
Okay. So I'll just lift it up.
Yep. Pick up
And
the whole front of the tractor, get it off the ground so we can work on it.
That's perfect.
And then I'll go grab the the jacks,
Okay.
the floor jacks, and
Okay.
then you can just pick it up and set it right on top of it.
Right.
That's it.
We'll try. I didn't have my spinach today, so I don't know if I'll be able to lift it.
You do have an audience.
Hi, babies. They're hungry. I haven't given them their treats yet, so they're not impressed. Hi, babies. Oh, okay. So put it under like this.
Yep. Perfect.
How do you get this off? Just pull it down. course, it's not doing it now.
That's absolutely not how you take that off.
It worked though. So now we gotta put this one. Yeah. Right. All right.
You do. There.
I'll point it this way.
There you go. Safety first.
All right. Good. Let me know when. Going over. Now give me some space.
It is the bead is not set
Oh, okay.
here, and so we're going to take the tire off
Okay.
and try to do something fancy with it.
All right, Oma.
Hallo, hallo.
Dein Graswagen.
Oh, wunderbar. Ich freue mich.
It's waiting for you.
Ja, siehst du, da habe ich ja Platz drauf. Mit ein paar Spinnen. Ist der broken?
Yep, completely.
Oh, no.
Engine arbeitet?
Das?
Yep.
Okay, aber das nicht.
Vielleicht.
Vielleicht.
Mhm.
Dann drücken wir mal ganz fest die Daumen, dass das klappt, ne?
Genau.
Mit meinem neuen Auto.
It's Oma's new grocery getter.
Ja.
You think it's
Hast
street
schon
safe?
gehört.
Maybe.
Ansonsten schnallen wir die Hunde davor.
True.
Die können es dann
That's
ziehen.
a great idea. We have donkeys.
Ja.
If the engine doesn't work, we'll just let the donkeys pull us. I love it.
Meine Idee.
This one is shy. I have to get him with treats. But first we have to fix the lawnmower, so they have to be a little bit more patient, but we're missing a donkey, so we gotta find Grandma is her name. She's all gray.
She's right there.
Homa. Yeah, that's true. But she's not all gray, so. That's what they've been waiting for. Treats and food. So now we're gonna go to the other donkey because that one is limping a little bit and I don't want her to walk so far. So I'm gonna get them to go with me.
The last ingredient.
The infamous. So what is this?
Just starting fluid. But we're gonna have some extra label use with it today. So we fix our tire.
Nice.
So they say when you're out and about and you don't have an air compressor and your bead comes off with your off-roading or your farm equipment or tractor tire goes off and you need to reset the bead, you can use a little starting fluid and a lighter and it will explode inside the tire, suck the air out, pull the bead, stretch the bead across the rim. Just like that, it's a pop, fire goes out, put the tire back on, air it up. So that's what I'm about to do now. That did not work at all. Got it! Just like that. Now you put the tire back on. These things never light when you need them to. It's ridiculous. Has nothing to do with the mangled end of it. Nothing. Just the fact that it's out of fuel and it will not work. Do you smell burnt rubber? Don't try this at home. There it is. Got it. See? 60% of the time, it works every time.
Oh, I'm so glad the thing is not on fire.
Yeah, almost.
Yes.
We didn't have to call the fire department this time.
Okay, good.
All right.
What was wrong with it?
They just needed to have the bead reset. Oh. The part of the tire that holds it to the rim.
Ah.
That creates a seal around the metal rim.
Okay.
And then when you fill it with air, the air expands and pushes it out. Oh. We just had to use an old farmer's trick to get them back on there.
Yes.
Highly efficient old farmer's trick.
Yes. It looks like it worked.
So now we need to pick up the front of the lawnmower, put it back on its wheels,
Okay.
go grab a new battery,
Okay.
and see what happens when we turn the key.
Okay. How big is the battery? Is it like a car battery? Oh, there it is. It has a visitor too. A spider.
I'm sure there's a bunch of spiders in there. That's okay. There's no match for the compressed air.
Okay.
We'll get a new battery and throw it in there and see what happens when we turn the key.
Yeah. And you already put new fuel in, or?
No, but
Okay.
best way to get fuel out is to burn the old fuel, put new fuel on top of it.
That's true. I like it. All right, good.
This is what you'll need to get the battery out.
Okay. Let me find the screw. It looks a little rusty. Lefty loosey? Yeah. Oops. I'm not really good with this. Hold on. There we go. Oop. Oop. Don't lose the screw. That wouldn't be good. Okay. So what do I do now? I have the screw.
The next one.
Oh, there's more? Oh. Oh. Spider webs. How do you get it? Is there a trick? Huh?
How's it coming?
Is there a trick for that one?
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Try to go lefty loosey here.
Up.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, that thing is heavy. Interesting. There it is. It's heavy. Good. This one looks a lot cleaner. Is it the right way?
Yes.
Okay.
Is the positive or the plus sign with the red side?
What red? Yes.
You're good to go.
So we just got all the tires done. It's standing on its own rubber now. We've got gas in it, and now we're going to go through the starting procedure for the highly technical anti-theft device that's been installed here. So. Just like Grand Theft Auto.
Oh, what's in there? Ooh, a filter.
An very dirty air filter. That's okay.
You got a new one?
The dirt is going to help it.
That's my favorite part so far.
Now we're going to use it for label use of actually starting the engine.
No
This one's
fire
for-
this
yeah,
time?
No fire. It's actually for starting the engine.
Okay. It's doing something.
We're getting there.
Oh, okay. Thing.
Oh, it's out of gas.
So after multiple attempts, we have completely killed the battery. It's out of gas, and we have a tear on the back left tire. Outside of that, I think everything's working great. For pulling a tractor completely out of the trenches
And the bushes.
and the bushes with a tractor,
Well, hopefully the blades are sharp.
that's a whole different thing. I don't think we're at to sharpened blades yet.
Get this engine started first.
So basically, he's putting the battery charger on to recharge up the battery so we can go over to the gas station, get some gas,
Yep.
and just a step-by-step process of bringing this back to life so we can cut the grass where we're at.
This is going to be fun.
Yeah. Hey, it beats going to buy a brand new one.
That's true. I mean, it's here.
Yeah.
There we go. It's humming now.
You did the hard part. You got the gas. Now I get to put it in.
That's the power of editing. Gas is already done. So y'all don't have to go through that. Now she gets to fill it up.
How do I get it in the hole without spilling? Can't you just ride the lawnmower to the gas station? Oh, I'm making it worse. Is that enough? Done! Mission accomplished.
There's no gas in there.
Oh, okay. So now it just has to kind of pump the gas into the...
Yep. You feeling all the way up?
Yeah,
Nice.
all the way to the top. You want me to spritz? Or...
You want you to stick,
Okay.
and I'm gonna spritz.
Now I'm gonna do this.
Yep.
Is the battery empty again?
Maybe. So we might need to get a new battery pretty soon. Singing to you.